Let's open another set. It's the poster collection 151. This is the poster. And then the 3 packs. Let's open the first pack. So I have the basic energy, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Hunter, Golduck, Pinsir, Rubber, Johto, Nidus, and Aerodactyl. Oddish, Monkey, Meowth, Horsey, Parsec, Cloyster, Giovanni's Charisma, Kofi, Voltorb, and Kabutops. The last pack. Let's see. Riddle, Golden, Nidoran, Ghastly, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Victreebel, Parsec, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl.